Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to delete books from your ONYX Boox Go 3. So if you, for example, finished a book and you want to delete it to free up some space for other books to download, you can do that by just going to your library, finding the book that you want to delete, and let's do, for example, this one right here. So I'm going to hold on it. It opens up this menu right here, and here we have the delete button on the bottom. So I'm going to press that to delete. It's going to ask me if I want to delete the book, and if you delete it, that you can download it again. So you can also delete the local source file if you want. But I'm just going to press OK. And now, as you can see, the book is gone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.